To start, it's important to have some good positioning. Sit in a comfortable, balanced position with your back against something and your feet flat on the floor. When learning, it's easier to practice with the laces off the body first. Try and practice with a shoe flat on the table, positioned as it would be if it was on the foot. When learning to tie shoelaces, it's important to choose the best practice laces. Practice using thick or flat laces. Thin laces or round laces tend to become undone more easily. Practice with 2 different colored laces to make the shoe tying sequence easier to follow. Ensure that the laces are long enough to comfortably tie a bow. Teaching shoelaces, it's helpful to sit next to your child. Give a step-by-step demonstration, talking through what you're doing. Use the same instructions each time. The key to teaching is to teach it step by step, practicing only 1 or 2 steps before proceeding. It's helpful to overteach to make sure the sequence is very embedded, so practice each steps multiple times. Children who find it difficult to focus may benefit from using the my turn, your turn method, where you demonstrate a step, then pass them the shoe to try the same step. Give lots of praise for each step attempted. It's helpful to also use a visual. This helps to break the task into multiple individual steps so children can focus on each step one at a time. It may also be helpful to find other fun opportunities to practice tying, like tying up aprons for cooking and baking activities, tying the knot at the top of their trousers, or even tying bows with ribbon or rope around their favorite toys.